Today's video then is a continuation of my sub 250 best trainer quest, and what better than a little trainer. The T28 famously used as a trainer by the Navy, but it appears in the Warbird series. So how does that work? It has been used in a ground attack role in Cambodia and in Vietnam in a sort of counter-insurgency role, armed with cannons and rockets and whatever. It has seen active service, therefore it deserves a place in the Warbird series. Comes with the transmitter, batteries and all that good stuff. Has the same aerobatic functions and the 3 modes, with the gyro in beginner, mid or off for the expert mode. Without further ado then, let's get the little chap into the air and see how it performs. First flight of the T28 then. I'm in the mid-rate modes. Let's see how we get on. And she's away. Very nice indeed. Very responsive. About half throttle there. Lovely. Let's gain a little bit of height and try the stunt button. Nice roll there. Sorry about that, gentlemen. Beautiful. Lovely to fly. Easy, easy. Figure 8. Oh, just tipped over at the end there. That's perfect. Lovely little plane. There we have it then. The first flight of the T28. Excellent performance. Easier to take off than the F4U. I think it's going to be a favourite.